Introduce features highlight for SERWALL Adirondack chair. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Indoor and outdoor use. Our Patio Adirondack chair is built for both indoor and outdoor use. Ideal size to complement your patio, courtyard, stove, chaise lounges and sofa. SERWALL weather-resistant Adirondack chair can be used as a displaying in your garden and balcony, or in your living room as a chair sofas. Why choose SERWALL? Material of SERWALL hips. High-impact polystyrene, poly lumber, look and feel like real wood, composite, weatherproof, low maintenance, more durable than wood, surface is more smoother than HDPE material. 22-inch armrest width and 380 pounds load capacity can make anyone of any body type feel really comfortable. Weather resistant and fade proof, SERWALL Adirondack chair will never fade, splinter, crack, chip, peel, or rot when exposed to the elements. Lifetime money back guarantee if you are not 100% satisfied. Product dimension. The seat height of SERWALL traditional Adirondack chair is 3 inches higher than the average chair for greater comfort. Outdoor Adirondack chair is the perfect companion for chaise lounge, rocking chair and outdoor patio. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.